How to add or remove the Magnifier widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, we tap on this Add button at the top to go into Edit mode. Then to remove the Magnifier widget, you can tap on the Remove button. If you want to add in the Magnifier widget, go down to the bottom and tap on Add a control. Next, in the control list, we scroll down and in here tap on Magnifier in the Capture section, and that will be added to your control center. Now swipe up to save the changes, then swipe up again to close the control center. And when you need to use the magnifier, you can swipe down to open up the control center and tap on the magnifier control to open up. Here I will be able to zoom in on object. So here I will zoom in on this USB. So I can use this and zoom in. I can also move my camera in closer to the subject or away from the subject. So here I can zoom in. I can use a filter and then tap on the capture button to take a shot. You can also adjust contrast, brightness. You can also adjust the contrast or the brightness. So that's the contrast right there. You got brightness. You got touch. You can lock it. So if you want to use other functions, you may need to close the preview window. So here you can turn on or turn off the flashlight. You can lock the focus. You can choose a close-up shot or just the front camera or use auto. And here you can choose whether you want to use single shot or multiple shot. And then you can just take the shot capture and that's it. So that is how you can add the magnifier widget to the control center or how you can remove it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.